Hello friends, Vibhor here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you simply how you can put the time codes in your YouTube video. These time codes will appear under the timeline of your video and they look really appealing, really beautiful, and they give your viewer an option to move to other section in the video if they want to surf around here and there instead of just moving away from your video if they are not into what you're telling right now. So it's really beneficial for you as well as for the viewers, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you can put them in your video right now. I will also give you tips on what you should do and what you should avoid while putting these time codes, so stick till the end of this video. So to put time codes on one of the videos, I'll show you my video right now. So in this video I don't have the time codes right now, so you can see the timeline is a simple plain straight timeline. There's nothing in there. So to add the time codes, you can actually add the time codes in a pinned comment on your video right under the video, but that is not what I generally do. What I generally do and prefer is add the time code in the description of the video. So to do that, we'll go to the YouTube studio and we'll go and edit our video in the studio itself. So in the description, I already have the time codes copied. Right now I can just go over here and towards somewhere in the middle of the description I can just paste the time codes. So I have all the time codes and I've pasted them right over here. Now one thing which is very important and very crucial over here is that you need to put this first bit over here. So this first bit is very important, guys. If you do not have this 0.00 time code in your time code section in the description, you will have all the other sections which the user can actually go in the description and click and move forward in the video, but you will not get that time code timeline under your video. If you want that time code timeline under your video itself, you need to put this intro section right over here. So this is really important, guys. So once this is done, you can just click on save and get back to your channel. And once you go back to your channel, you can see that the time codes are actually placed in the video. So see, in the timeline you will see all those time codes coming up. So if the user wants to skip anywhere in this video, they can actually go and understand how to put the channel description like in this particular instance. So once more, guys, this is very important to have this starting bit. If you don't have that 0.00 as an intro in the starting of your time codes, this time code section is not going to come under your video at all. So that was the easy way to add the time codes to your description. It gives more of a vibrance to your video and actually the user can skip to wherever they want in that particular video. I hope you like it, guys. For you, have created a full playlist on how to make YouTube for beginners. You can click on the link. It's going to be somewhere in the description, and that is going to tell you exactly different settings that you need to do in YouTube, and I would be adding videos to that playlist time to time. Please like and subscribe to this channel, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. See ya.